I'm Tyler, I'm 12. This is the AYAMAYA dome tent. It's pretty light and compact. Good two-man tent. Let's set it up and take it down. Okay, so you got your two bags. You got the stakes and the poles. So, another thing I like about this tent is that in most tents you have to slide this thing through a whole bunch of loops and it gets stuck and these things come apart and all this stuff. But on this one, all you gotta do is there's the little holes at the end of the sticks and these little eye hooks kinda. You stick this little thing in there and then you make sure it's pressured.
To keep the tension on.
And you walk around, push it up, and stick it in the other corner.
So you don't have to worry about sliding it all in to the sleeve. Then what, just clip it?
Yeah, you just clip it on.
That's pretty easy.
The nice thing about these clips is whether you need to clip it on the pole or down here on the metal, it fits either way.
They're wide enough. So no matter how the spacing works out, you can, because sometimes if you end up where you need to clip it onto one of the metal parts, the clips aren't wide enough to accommodate that. So that is a nice feature. I like that.
Once you clip it all on, you just tie a simple bow knot up here. Like if you were to tie your shoelaces. Easy to undo, but it will stay. So inside we got a bathtub floor, just like this stuff. So it keeps water off really easily.
So waterproof floor. Nice.
And you got some of your standard things, like a pocket, ventilation, and then a lantern hook. And it's really... What?
Is it great?
It's great. And then you got down here some
Floor ventilation.
floor ventilation.
What about over here? I thought I saw a zipper or something there.
And then you got a little pocket right here. Like if you put like your shoes right here and then you pull them out to get them on in the morning so that you're not like soaking the floor all night. So back on the outside, the floor ventilation that I was talking about, you can stake it out if you want, or you can just leave it down. Okay, let's throw up that fly. So on the tent, on the tarp, once you roll it out, you got these little patches that you stick that in on both sides.
And then let's tie it in the middle there so it stays properly pitched.
So this is what it looks like all put up. Obviously, if you're using it in a wind situation, you want to stake it down. So you stake it down on all four corners. You just stick the stake right through the hole into the ground. And if it's like really windy and you need more than that, you undo the guy line and
stick out the guy lines as well. It's got some adjusters on there.
Yep.
Perfect.
Okay, there you go. Let's take it down now. in.
Just kind of wrap the fly around it.
Yep. And you got your clips on here. Keep it.
So if you want to cinch it down, compress a little bit more, you can.
Light, easy to carry. It's a great time.